Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your activity on his Instagram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, make sure to put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to your page. In the upper right-hand corner, click on these three bars. And this is where you'll need to select your activity. And when you click on the three bars, you go straight to this kind of settings and privacy page. Then your activity will be right here. And if you have a menu like I do, then you'll need to select your activity. And this is where you'll see what's called the activity log, where you can see, for example, the likes that you put on Instagram. Also the comments that you write in this app, and so on. Tags, stickers, and so on. You'll be able to view the archive, you'll be able to view your reels, your posts, and so on. In these simple ways, friends, you will be able to see your Instagram activity log. I really hope this video has been useful and helpful for you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.